Hi guys! So as you can see, our living room, kitchen, and dining area is such a mess. Today is extra messy for some reason. I always clean, but for some reason it just does not last for a day. Anyways, for today's video guys, come clean and decorate with me for fall. Also, if you like this type of videos, please hit that like button. It would really help my channel out. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet so you won't miss any of my future videos. Guys, the dishes I'm washing right now are just from breakfast. Ricky works early this week, so I decided to just make breakfast for us three. I normally don't have this much dishes in the morning. I look mad or annoyed here, but I promise I wasn't. I was just watching some YouTube videos as I clean.
Just where it was needed, gleaming black as night, cloistered in injustice, dead in the eye of time. Nobody is losing, faces merchant change.
Guys, did I mention how hard it is to clean this island? Knowing that I'm pregnant, it's so hard to reach the middle, so I was struggling here. As you can tell, I changed the riser I'm using here because I have so many warm, deep wood tones in the back. I want to lift the tones up a little. It will also help accentuate the fall colored dried flowers I have.
and it felt like just what it was needed. Clean in the blackest night, cloistered in injustice dead, and in the eyes of time, nobody is losing. The sparrows will be here by dawn. When we find it's over, they'll be gone. The trees will bloom and ice will melt.
I actually had to continue the next day. I also went to World Market and purchased more fall decor stuff. They have so many dried florals for a decent price. The stuff that I bought were between $7.99 and $12.99. I was also looking for a clear vase and I found this one which I really like, and it was only $14.99. I didn't like the bowl as my centerpiece on the table, so I switched it to this one. I think it looks a lot better, don't you think so? I had more mess than this, but Liam helped me out with his toys. Do you remember all his cluttered toys in the living room in the beginning of this video?
She stands by the window, stares at the morning sun. She hopes for a clear view before the day is done. What can you do when you're head over heels in love? No need to fight, but it's keeping her up all through the night. No end in sight. She wanders along the trail down to the river, but will she dare to set sail? The thought makes her
I
shiver.
found this garland from Home Goods. It was very inexpensive. It was only $10. And the dried florals here are from World Market as well.
Those lonely eyes
Pumpkin is still from Kirkland's, and the tissue cover is from Amazon.
are making it so hard.
I bought this basket a few weeks ago from Home Goods as well. I was very drawn to the leather detailing that it has. It just gives it more warmth and character.
And inside
And as for these, I got them from World Market. I just thought having the syrups in these glass bottles suits the aesthetics of our coffee station. I think they're actually made for alcohol, not for syrups. I was actually going to hang this wreath on our hood, but decided to just hang it on our pantry door instead. I also got this from Kirkland's. And let me tell you about our throw pillows. They're from Target as well. They're also very inexpensive. I love the lumber ones that I picked out because I can remove the fabric from the pillow and can change it later on if I wanted to.